Perimembranous ventricular septal defect is the most common variety. Other types are inlet VSD, outlet VSD, and muscular VSD. Parasternal long axis view showing right and left ventricles, left atrium and aorta. Perimembranous VSD is seen just below the aortic wall. It is subaortic in location. Size of VSD is compared to the aortic diameter. Here it is a small VSD as it is less than 1/3 of aortic diameter. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. Still frame from parasternal long axis view in perimembranous VSD showing the color jet from the subaortic region of left ventricle to the right ventricle. Color sector in parasternal long axis view shows the mosaic multicolored VSD jet across the perimembranous VSD from the left ventricle to the right ventricle. It is a high velocity jet because VSD is restrictive. The neck of the jet almost corresponds to the size of the VSD. Perimembranous VSD jet on continuous wave Doppler interrogation. It is a high velocity jet indicating large gradient between the ventricles. High velocity jet is noted in restrictive VSD. Small VSD is also known as Melody de Roger. In large VSD, the gradient is low as the pressure in the ventricles equalize. Apical 5-chamber view showing the subaortic perimembranous ventricular septal defect. Sometimes it may be associated with aortic regurgitation, though not seen in this case. Color Doppler imaging in apical 5-chamber view showing the left to right shunt across the subaortic ventricular septal defect into the right ventricle. Still frame in apical 5-chamber view showing the VSD jet. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.